Today's video topic is the benefits of a vegetarian diet. A vegetarian diet is a diet that excludes meat, fish, and poultry, and primarily consists of plant-based foods. While some people choose a vegetarian diet for ethical or environmental reasons, others go for it for the health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of a vegetarian diet for health. 1. It's good for heart health. One of the major benefits of a vegetarian diet is that it is good for heart health. Plant-based diets are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can help reduce cholesterol levels in blood and lower the risk of heart disease. According to studies, vegetarians are much less likely to die from heart disease than non-vegetarians. A study done in 2019 found that a vegetarian diet can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 25%. The study analyzed data from over 200,000 participants and found that those who followed a vegetarian diet had a lower risk of heart disease compared to those who consumed meat. Additionally, the study found that a vegetarian diet was associated with lower levels of LDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. 2. It lowers blood pressure. Vegetarian diets are also associated with lower blood pressure levels. This is because the diet does not include too much sodium, fats, or cholesterol, which all raise blood pressure. In addition, vegetarian diets are rich in potassium, which is known to lower blood pressure. A study published in JAMA Internal Medicine in 2014 found that a vegetarian diet was associated with lower blood pressure levels. The study analyzed data from many participants and found that those who followed a vegetarian diet had lower blood pressure levels compared to those who consumed meat. 3. Reduces risk of diabetes. A vegetarian diet may also help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and improve blood sugar control for those who already have diabetes. This is because vegetarian diets are typically rich in low glycemic index foods, which are digested more slowly and cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2019 found that a vegetarian diet was associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. 4. It improves bone health. Studies have shown that a vegetarian diet may also be beneficial for bone health. Animal products may actually remove calcium from the body, while plant-based sources of calcium such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are better absorbed and utilized by the body. In addition, vegetarian diets are often rich in vitamin K, which is important for bone health. So in conclusion, a vegetarian diet can have many health benefits. However, it is important to ensure that a vegetarian diet is well-balanced and includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods to meet all nutritional needs.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.